Shangri-La is what comes to mind when you see this beautiful 4-bedroom, 3 full and 1/2 bath west/study property nestled in the community of Chesapeake Beach on Bennett's Creek in Poquoson. Many renovations were made in 2016. Roof, custom windows, and sliding to both the house and workshop/shed. Chef's kitchen with deluxe stainless steel appliances, gas stove, granite countertops, and cabinets. The fireplace was removed to add a window for spectacular unobstructed water views. Stunning first FL primary suite with spa-like bathroom open to sunroom with custom walk-in closet. Water views from 3 of the 4 bedrooms. There are 2 primary ensuites, one on the first and second level. There is just so much that awaits you in the one-of-a-kind property.